Good afternoon, everyone. We will get started in a few minutes. You can share some charts, some questions, anything. We'll get through it. So we'll go through Twitter as normal, and then we will go through YouTube. I have just got a new setup as well, so I can maybe put 2 charts up. We'll see. Let me know what you guys think. I'll put up 2 charts and we can see if you guys like it. Let me know. OPTT, what a play. It was very, very nice. Good afternoon, everyone. Every day I'm live. Every single day I'm live. Every day, every day, every day. Things to the Discord, and then we'll get started. How is everyone this morning? Market's half day tomorrow, 1 p.m. Eastern closure. Keep that in mind. I think everyone's just gonna chill today. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit of difficult week. I know there's some news coming out. Okay. All right. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, let me get my charts set up. Can you guys hear me all right? Hello, 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 hello. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, I just got a new. Well, I sorted out I got a bigger screen. I got a 32-inch like monitor. What do you guys think of this? 2 charts. I don't know. I don't really use 2 charts too often. I used to use it, but not anymore. I think it's better just with 1, to be honest. I think it's just clearer. It's better to just focus on 1 at a time. You can't be focusing on everything, you know? You know? Right, so let's see what's going on. Let me go through the Twitter requests and then we will go through the other stuff. I don't know, a lot of people are talking about this STAF. I don't know anything about it. I think something about their filings are cleared or whatever. But yeah, nothing on this yet. Needs 270 break. Right, what else we got here? I'm on the moon, not Bahamas. Let's go. Hollow's still cooking. Yeah, Hollow's whatever, it's just chilling. IREN. I like this play. I don't know if it's still bullish though. Last time I looked, it was pulling back a bit. Yeah, so now it's pulling back. We just have to update this chart a bit. So right now it's in a downtrend, so just wait for that downtrend to break, but it is still bullish. I like it. Needs downtrend break. All right. Just going through Twitter, guys, and then I'll go through YouTube. So like up the stream if you have it. Let's get to 50 likes. Once we get to 50 likes, then we can start doing some charts for you guys on YouTube. ONCO. ONCO. ONCO needs volume. There's literally nothing on this. Needs volume. Somebody help it. Somebody buy some. Onco needs volume. Right. Needs volume on this because right now the chart's not clear, right? We don't really know what's going on with that. POET. This one is a strange one. I had this on my watch list for today. But we will see. I mean, right now the volume's not quite there. If you're looking for entries, 288. 288 close above, maybe possible entries. It was a slow mover yesterday, but it was just steady. 33% yesterday. Very, very good. So we'll see continuation. I think what's going to happen is this week, there's just going to be a few movers and traders are just going to jump into them. But right now, nothing on POET. Wait for a break above. So POET, wait for break above 288. I'm so annoyed with OPTT. I sold it just before 8 a.m. Oh shit, my chart's the same. Wait, why is my charts not moving? Hold up. Wait, yeah, I see that, Dylan. Give me a sec. Shit. 1 sec. There we go. I don't know. There was a glitch on OBS. It should be fine now. Can you see my screen? Shit. Anyway, it's fine now. Let me know. Let me know. Let's have a look. Okay, cool. Yeah, there we go. POET 2.88 break. Okay, let's have a look. Let's go through some you guys here. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. What's also news you use? I don't use any news. I don't trade off news, nothing. I just trade off the top gainers, which is Weeble top gainers. That's all I do. I don't care about the news, don't care about the company, don't care about CEO. Means nothing. I literally just look for that. Took a 97 last, need a good play. As long as you manage your risk, that's important. But what did you lose on? Interesting to know what you lost on. SYTA needs a closure above 1.08. Maybe if we can get back over $1, you can look for entries, but at the moment, there's nothing on it. It's coming down. Still is bearish. Cavill is such a yeah, Cavill's so weird. I have no idea what the hell's going on with Cavill. This one yesterday was such a weird stock. Like, it just doesn't want to go. It doesn't want to go. It doesn't want to go. I don't know. It just needs to, yeah, I don't know. It's very strange. All good now. Cool, cool, cool. What is everyone's obsession with Hollow? That is my question. What is everyone's obsession with this play? Everyone is obsessed with Hollow. There is no volume on Hollow. You need 110. 110 break above. You have clean range all the way. 145. All good now. Cool. What are your predictions for CSLR? Well, my prediction for CSLR is that I would not be in it, first of all, because we are currently bearish. We are down 7%. So if you are trying to get in it, just do something very simple. Draw the trend line, closure above equals entries. Good morning, good morning, good morning. GDHG. GDHG, it's still in this falling wedge, looks alright still. So GDHG still in falling wedge. So yeah, it just needs volume. I mean, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. OVID, this one's a weird chart. I don't know what's up with this. There's a larger time frame, so yeah. OGID, these are your levels here. Strange chart though, yeah. This is what you have. VLCN, ooh, it's moving. Nice, finally. Finally, it's moving. So I'll go to the 4 hour so we can identify what's going on. We have a lot of wicks over here, right? A lot of wicks at 8:15. It had a strong open, and then after that, it just died off, surprisingly. These are your levels for, what is this? VLCN. So we have, I guess we can use this demand zone right here. Yeah, guys, you know, I'll talk about it now once we get more people in. Yeah, I mean, this has history of running. This was a parabolic runner 2 weeks ago. I think last week as well, but more, it ran more 2 weeks ago. So possible reversal here, VLCN reversing. Yeah, Leon. Here, Leon, let me show you something. Leon the Bull. All right. GMM. Guys, ask some questions as well. If you want to ask any questions about anything, how I trade, that's how you will learn best, right? Asking tickets, fair enough, but my goal is to educate and ooh, this looks good. And teach people, right? So this is your free education that I give on YouTube. But all of it, or everything else is in Discord. But if you have any questions about something, I don't mind answering it and helping you guys out where I can. Closure above here. Closure above this, 110, you can enter. Wait for the 1 minute chart. So if this closes above here, right? Like this, the candle closes above in 5 seconds, you can enter the trade. So let's see. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nope. Did not close above, so no entries. But you have a wick fill all the way to 118. So GMM, room 2, 118. You need that closure above. Need that closure above. Very bullish though. Got this on watch. Where's this OPTT? Let me have a look. OPTT, nice. Here, next levels on OPTT. Nice, nice, nice. Look at that. You got it. You got it. Congrats. I literally sold this like 20 minutes ago. I'm so pissed off, but it is what it is. This is filling the wick. That's your next level. GMM, do you think it's okay to re-enter OPTT? For me, I don't like to enter here. It's right at the high of the day. So that is called chasing if you're trying to buy at the top of the stock. Wait for a pullback. Let it find an area of support. When it pulls back, then look for the reversal. But trying to enter now is not worth it in my opinion. You're just going to be chasing, hoping and praying, gambling, right? There's no technicals to this at all. You're just, I want to get in because it's running. That's not a good enough excuse. I do not use level 2. No, I do not need it. Nope. No need. You don't need level 2. It's BS. Because a lot of the big orders are fake orders. It just messes with your emotions a lot. So I removed it and it improved my trading by tenfold. It was actually one of the issues why I wasn't trading very well when I started. 0.15 on LPTV. Otherwise, nothing. VS. Yeah, people should be in VS. You should be in VS right now. Right now is your entry. Look, closure above on the 1 minute. Now what you're looking for is what? 5%. So 5% up here. Right? So this is your level. 240, 241. 241 is your target, right? So if you enter now, that is how you can play it. So if you are in it, congratulations, because you should be in it. I know the Discord are all in it. It's a no-brainer. A no-brainer. Where is this thing? What is this? VS. Yeah, VS needs. So this is your trade. Easy trade. Very simple trade. Simple. Basics of trading. Winner. IFBD is here. Don't like it. Not good. 410 equals entries. Otherwise, leave it alone. Winner. Nothing on winner. Strong downtrend. I literally just charted this earlier. Downtrend at the moment. Maybe possible reversal. But for me, maybe closure above here, you can take higher risk entries. See this? Closure above 208 maybe. 208, maybe you could take your entry. Down here, yeah. Winner, wait for 208. So winner, wait for 208. Wait for 208, break above. All right, guys, we have 16 likes in here. Come on, guys, we can get to at least 50, 60, 70 likes. Come on, come on, come on. It's free to do so. Free. Can you believe it? It's actually free. Right. What else is moving? When? How do you get the predicted levels? For which? I just use a larger time frame, 4 hour. I like to use the 4 hour and look left and identify where's the next resistance level. So for this chart, I am watching your next resistance level is here. And then your next resistance is here, which is another high. And then another resistance level here. Right? So that's kind of how I do it. And then I go to the 5 minute and identify, okay, now what are we doing? That's simply how I trade. 180 went to a good call. Well done, Colas. Well done. How low is low? Too low volume. You can literally just tell by the candles. Look, see these candles here? This is low volume. Here, high volume. If you want to, you can also just look at the volume here. You can see on the left here, top left. You can see the size of the candles. I mean the volume bars, right? And then also just go to the actual stock itself. You can't do it on here. It's on the top gainers. And then if you go to the Webull top gainers, I posted it above, just go look for it. And then you can just see the volume and then the average volume. And then usually if it's above average volume, it will be good. You can just see, it's just the focus. The easiest way to do it is just focus on the top gainers, the pre-market top gainers, which is this. Hollow obsession could be explained. Oh, I don't know. All those technicals. I think it's just a hyped up stock, to be honest. In my opinion, all of that stochastic RSI stuff's, I don't know, a lot of BS for that. 0.52 is your resistance, then 0.6. Do you trade any morning markets on your side of the planet? I trade US markets, pre-market, that's it. Thank you. Come on, VS. Yeah, come on, VS. Come on, VS. Come on, VS. Thank you. Tiger, may I ask for a longer term now? Anticipate the runs. No worries, bro. Let me have a look. MREO. Last time I looked, there wasn't much volume on it. Larger time frame. Yeah, you just have to see what's going on. So to analyze what's going on, larger time frame, we can just, let's say, go to the daily, do a top-down analysis. So top-down analysis is using a larger time frame and then going down each time frame, right? So we can identify on the daily what that we're bullish, okay? 4 hour, what do we identify that we are? I would say that we're still bearish on this because we need to make a new high. We need to break this high. So we have one bullish chart and then a bearish chart. Okay, then we go to the 1 hour. What's happening? 1 hour is bullish. So we have two confidences now. We have a daily bullish and 1 hour bullish. So that means that we're getting the confluences that there is a higher probability that this will continue to go up. But basing it on a larger time frame, yeah, it looks good. I mean, this was a good entry here. You are pushing to a resistance level, I would say, like around here. I would even just use this whole level, seriously. Yeah, $4. This is your major resistance, $4. But you're at 363. What, you can get like at least 15% out of this, somewhere around there, 11, 12%. So right now you have here, this is your major resistance, right? On it, on MREO. So MREO, it's still a very bullish chart. So MREO, bullish setup, right? So yeah, overall trend is bullish. Trend is bullish. Thank you for the answer about levels. No worries, no worries. What's up, Tiger S? How's it going, bro? Machete. SYTA. SYTA, I would wait for $1 reclaim. I just like getting over a psychological level, especially $1. So right now, I don't know, nothing on this, but yeah, I would just wait maybe $1. What software are you using? If you look at the top left, it says Webull. That's what I'm using. Webull Desktop Broker. What website do you use for the charts? I was trying to find on Webull, but couldn't find it. Trying to take what you have been teaching. Bro, just download Webull here. Webull Desktop. I use the desktop app. I don't use the, here, this is the link. I've posted it in the thing. That's it. So click on that, and then this is basically it, Webull right here. So you can download this. And then also, let me do something. I have a YouTube video on my setup. Give me a sec. Guys, like up the stream as well and subscribe if you have not. Webull. Okay, here is my setup as well. It's a bit of an old video. I actually need to do an update on it, but that's literally the setup right here. See this? Exactly how it is, and you can do it. So go on that Webull thing, download it, and that's it. I trade pre-market Webull, and then I use a broker in Dubai, a local one. Zap. Zap's not really doing anything at the moment, but overall bullish. It's a bit of a messy bullish pennant, but I still like it. Looks nice. Looks nice. What is your VS high prediction for today? What is my high prediction on VS? Is that your question? How do you know wicks can fill? Can you explain liquidity grab? It's not, I mean, I don't really go into liquidity grab much, but it is pretty, I mean, it's pretty much that liquidity grab where it needs the stock needs to pretty much reclaim all that all those orders there, and then it'll come down or fill it. But usually if a stock's very bullish with high volume, right, it will fill this wick, but it needs to be on something that's actually moving. So something like this, VS, we have a strong uptrend, it's looking bullish. We have a high probability to literally get to this 244. This is a fake candle, but this is your high here at 245. But focusing on a wick fill, I would use a larger time frame. So look here, for instance, like this chart, where is it? OPTT, look here. So see OPTT? If you look, right, overall the trend's been bullish, and then look left. There's been that wick fill all the way up, it's filled it. Over here, filled it. This one, literally, look, 0.51, it's literally nailed it, right? So I use wick fills on larger time frames. I don't really use it on small time frames. It's just a larger time frame setup. So if you see, right, the best way to do it is if you see something running, right, like a pre-market runner that has just got news, use the 4 hours, zoom out and look left and see, okay, where's the next wick fill? There's a high probability it'll continue to push up, right? That's kind of how it can fill that wick, but not just any old wick fill. The stock needs volume. That's kind of how it works. GMM breaking out. I actually had this charted. Oh, here it is. Yeah, GMM. So people should be in this. Look here. This is your entry here. This was your entry candle right here. And then from here, you're looking for 5%, which is like 118. So yeah, you should be in this trade. GMM, 118 is your level. Or your target, I guess. But very nice. See, look here, wick fill on the left. See? This is on the 5 minute, but it still works the same if something has volume. Higher probability it will fill this wick. So we have, what is this stock called? So we're breaking, right? We're breaking now, going to that wick fill 118. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. What up, Ronbert? Right, how many likes we got here? We have 56 likes. Come on, guys. We got at least 70, 80 likes. Also, listen to this. I've started using stock twits. They reached out to me. They want me to basically grow my account on there. Regardless of that, I've reached out to them and messaged them. But one of my Discord members actually told me that someone is stealing all my information. Well, not my information, but all my charts. Literally word for word. They're not even changing it. And obviously, you can see my charts. They're unique. It's very clean setups. And this guy, I don't know who he is, has been copying all my stuff. I don't know for how long. I can't see his page or anything. But if you guys can, do me a favor and just report the guy. I've got a couple people speaking to StockTwits now to get his account removed. I think he has like 10k followers or whatever. But just, yeah, I mean, it is what it is. It's annoying, but I mean, I'm sure he'll get his account taken down. I know on Twitter his account has been taken down. I can't really see anything else about his account though, which is kind of annoying. But yeah, if you can do me a favor, just report. His name's Justice Little or something stupid. He's an idiot. I mean, people are so fucking lazy, honestly. I mean, I don't know. So sad. But he knows now because he's literally copies my charts that I post on Twitter every day. And he copies it as live as I post it. And then he posts in his channel. So he knows that I literally put on his thing. I literally put on my page. I said, report this guy and all that. So I know he's seen it. For sure he's seen it. So he's shitting himself, I'm sure. Anyway. Yeah, if you guys can do that. It takes 2 seconds. That's my question. Right, let me have a look. Morning, let's have a great day. Let's have a great day. Update on VSS. VSS is coming down here. Where's this level? Here, look. Let me move this. Let's see if we can hold here. I think you're just at VWAP. Yeah, you're just at VWAP. Maybe a bounce here. So VS maybe reversal here. We will see, we will see, we will see. LGVN. What's up? LGVN is probably one of the worst stocks to trade. I don't like the stock. It's such a weak play. Yeah, look, stay away from this thing. Just stay away. Stay away, stay away, stay away. Core group. Core group. Overall, very bearish, the trend. Yeah, nothing on this, unfortunately. I know it's up, what? Oh shit, actually 5 minute chart. Let me have a look here quickly. So now I'll go to the 4 hour and see what levels there are. You literally have these wick fills around here, so we can just take like 330. What's this? 275. So I'll mark these levels just to keep my eye on what's happening next. Like I said, I don't care about the news. Let's see if it does show me the news. Oh, just earning. Misses revenue, but I'm assuming they had good guidance. I don't know, but I'll just keep on watch. Nothing on this. If you're trying to enter, wait for the break above 269. 269 break, then you can look for your entries. That's how I would take the setup. Do you anticipate a meme type run on Chewy? Yes. I don't know, bro. I mean, yeah, if the guy's in it, probably, yeah. But I don't know. It's just, for me, I just think about it very logically. I trade, and I'm very, very consistent in the way I trade because I do the same thing over and over again. Trying to buy these meme stocks, hoping and praying is going to be that great run again. You're going to be waiting a very long time, right? Where you can just literally learn how to day trade and understand technicals and do what I do every single day. There's runners every single day, regardless if there is a market crash, regardless of anything. There is always going to be PRs. There's going to be volume from certain plays. So that's all I do is play what is the highest probability stocks that are running. It's the ones that have news, the top gainers. That's it. Every day I do the same thing. As simple as it is. I don't care about the memes. If they're running and they have volume, great. Maybe I look for a setup, but I just focus on the runners. That's it. Focusing on the plays that have the highest probability of running is what? The ones that are obviously got the news, merger, breakouts, whatever it is, right? From there, we identify technicals and enter on that. Good morning, Swen. How did you learn these investing tactics? I mean, I just kind of went on YouTube, learned through there, and then I've been in a few Discords when I started. I kind of figured that a lot of the stuff people were teaching, it's a load of BS in a sense that you don't need all these EMAs, RSIs, you know, like all this shit. You can literally just learn how to trade based on price action. Like you don't need all of this chart. Like you don't need this. You don't need your chart to look like this, right? This is a load of shit, all of this. This is just, by the time all of this needs to, whatever you need, whatever you're looking for, like for instance, if you need your RSI to be over 70 and then you need your MACD to cross over and all this shit, by the time that all happens, the stock's already ran or it's dumped, right? So very, very simple. Keep it easy. It's very simple how to trade. You need to understand what is price action, right? Your goal, right, when you trade, think about it. You want to take the highest probability setups, right, to make you money. So people use these RSIs and all this shit because yes, it can give them maybe for their strategy it works best, and I'm not knocking that, but I'm saying you don't need all of that. People in the Discord know I literally trade. My strategy is very simple. You can see how my charts are on Twitter. It's extremely simple because I understand price action. I know what candlesticks look like, right? I understand what a top wick means in a red candle, green candle. I understand what a bottom wick is. I understand if it's a large green candle. I understand chart patterns, and I understand basically support and resistance, price action. It's very simple. You understand that, it's easy. Your goal, right, is to make money in the market. So you want to take a high probability setup. Put it this way, right? Here, for example, let's look at here. Here's a prime example right now. What's this? GMM. What did I say? 188. Okay, look. This is how simple it is, what I was explaining. What was happening prior to this? Okay, we can see what. The reason why 109, this purple line, right, was here is because it was resistance, right? If a stock is below a resistance, right, you do not enter. Why? Because it's probably going to keep going down. So if a stock breaks above a resistance, what is the probability of the stock going up, right? Think about it that way. If you're going to try and buy, right, under resistance, you have a 50-50 chance, right? It's either going to go up or it's going to go down. But you know, right, if it closes above 109, right, if it closes above a resistance, now what is the probability of the stock going up or down, right? You're now moving your probability up to what? Let's say about 70%. There's a 70% chance now that you're probably going to go up, then go down, right? It's literally that simple. That's why people use all these confluences and all this other shit to try, right, and make their probabilities higher so they can basically make money. But you don't need all of that stuff. It's as simple as literally, if a stock breaks a resistance, there's a high probability to go up. If a stock breaks below support, what's going to happen? A higher probability is going to go down, right? So what happened here? Broke above 109. What is the probability of going up? Probably 70%, right? 80%. Look, it's gone up. It's literally done exactly what I said, right? Literally exactly what I said. And it had the wick fill as well to someone who asked me, right? So that's pretty much explained as easy as I can to you about trading in general, right? It's as simple as that. You want to make your probabilities higher in your favor. So why are you going to try and take a trade that's going to give you a 50-50 chance and increase the chances, right, of it being maybe 70-80%, right? That's why you use chart patterns and all that shit, right? LGV and Core. Right, like up the stream. Let's go, let's go, let's go. GMM, EBS. Yeah, let me have a look at him. Did anyone take that play? GMM. EBS. Overall chart looks bullish. Yeah, overall chart's very bullish. Looks great. Looks great. So we can just draw the trend line like this. Here. There. Right? Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Bullish swing. Looks nice. Thoughts on GVX? GVX is extremely bullish. This is a very nice chart. You can even put it as a bullish pennant. Look here. Does everyone understand what I just explained? Let me know. Put 1. Type 1 if you understood what I was trying to explain. You know? So GVX expecting a breakout. LGVN, yeah, LGVN, I'm not interested in that one, unfortunately. CING, CING, stay away, nothing. Overall trend bearish, so just leave it, right? So look, as I explained, it's basically what? It's in a downtrend. So the probability of the stock going up when it's in a downtrend is what? It's higher probability it'll keep going down. If the stock breaks above the downtrend, there is a higher probability to go up. Literally as simple as it can get. How you identify stock when it finds support level. Janil, I know you're in the Discord, so go through the seminar videos. We've literally got a support and resistance videos on there. If not, right, if you have already, you can also watch this playlist that Hassie's done here. Let me share it with you. Where is it? Support and resistance. Here, this is it. Watch, Janil, watch this as well. So watch that as well, but there's seminar videos on support and resistance as well. So far, the stock going up in a pre-market, would you sell them before open? Yeah. If I'm up 5%, look, Adam, I'm very simple how I trade. If I buy a stock and I'm up 5%, I'll sell 50% of my position, right? That's how I do it. Pre-market is exactly the same thing as what I do intraday. Same thing. I don't hold plays into open unless I'm up like 20, 30%. But when I'm doing this, I don't like to use my phone and everything at the same time. So I just avoid it. How do you recommend day trading? Colas, it's very simple. Switch to a cash account on Webull or Robinhood, whichever you decide if you're in the US. And then, yeah, you can do as many day trades as you want. Delete to level 2. Yeah, good luck, bro. I mean, it's just a lot of emotions using level 2. But I'm just saying what works for me, that's all. All that extra indicator. Yeah, it's bullshit, bro. Major BS making me mad. Yeah, VS is doing its thing. We'll see what it does. Good morning, GMM Beauty Trade. Yeah, well done. EBS and announced. Would you take a look? Yeah, EBS. Didn't this have news yesterday? Yeah, EBS bullish here. Strong trend, strong uptrend. Nice, nice, nice. 1 and 9 lineup with setup. Yeah, I don't really use fibs though, bro. VS, no bueno. What's going on with NSTGQ? That's a long name there. NSTGQ. I don't know, bro. I don't know. I'm not sure. I think it might be OTC. 111. Okay, cool. That's good. Love to see it, guys. Expect that triangle breakout. Yeah. How can I get a better drawing trend lines? You can join the Discord, or you can just literally click onto that link that I just put there underneath Lux Divine. Literally click on that. There's a whole day trading thing there for you guys explained from Hassie. It's a whole day trading thing you can understand. So VS did not hit 240 as predicted. Can you explain why not, and what is it potentially doing now? VS. So VS, what's happening, right, is that it did this. Look, we can clean this whole chart up. So look, what do we identify? We can identify what's happening is there's a resistance here, 241, right? So we have this, right, here. So that is your resistance, right? So that is the rejection that we've had, okay? Now, what is happening is that it's pulling back. So here is your support. Support is where you get the most touches, right? So you don't want to put it here because you only have 1 and 2 touches, 1 and 2, these candles. But move it up, you have what? More touches here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, right? We can even move up a little bit. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there's 9 touches on here. That indicates a stronger area of support. For me personally, I would just use this level around here, 217. So right now, you're at support. I personally, right, I'm not looking for any entries on this. I don't like to buy at support. I like to find a stock that has found support, but I don't enter when there is an area of support. So what you need to look for is obviously it to start to reverse, to push to the upside, or wait for a closure above 241. But right now, look, if we look at the overall stock, what's happening? It's literally just ranging, right? What is the stock doing? It's doing this. Up, down, up, down, up, down, right? So you needed to close above this, retest it, and then up. That's how it is. But when you enter a trade, just aim for 5%. Aim for a realistic target. Don't enter trade and hope and pray that's going to go to $20, $30 or 20, 200, 300% because you're going to be on the streets, right? You're going to be on the streets. You're going to be on the streets. Can we get OPTT potential? Yeah, OPTT is very bullish. Look, 0.51 is your level. Here is your support level here. So you have 0.55, 0.45. Hassie's probably going to play this trade today. It was on both of our watch lists, I think. But these are your next support levels. We have touches here and we have touches here. So for me, it's in a downtrend. There's no reason to enter OPTT. If you're trying to consider something, enter on the downtrend break. Meaning if the stock closes above this downtrend, maybe you can enter. So OPTT, wait for downtrend break. It's that simple. Wait for downtrend break. That's as easy as I would do it for you guys. I watch Hassie's video already. Yeah, they're good, bro. They're really good. It explains it very clearly. Yeah, so VS, look, what's happening? Downtrend, right? So, you know what I just mentioned to you and I've been explaining for the last, what, 20 minutes? 37 minutes? Downtrend break equals entries, right? But for me, just because it breaks this downtrend, we have a resistance right here. It's too close. There's no point in entering. You know if it closes above this level, there's clean range all the way up. So just wait for that. That's what I would personally do. For pre-market limit orders, you have an offset. I just use limit orders, bro. Limit orders, limit orders. Louis 100% charting. Yeah, it's good. I mean, I'm just used to it, to be honest. Trading view, all that, I don't know. It's just preference at the end of the day. Zap setting up again. No, nothing on Zap. Larger time frame Zap looks all right, though. As long as I hold this 190. OPTT prediction open. I don't know, bro. Can you explain downtrend break? Yes, it's very simple. If the stock breaks and closes above a downtrend, you enter. So literally what I explained, right? So here, for instance, no, not this. Where is it? VSS. Look, VSS. So very simple. It's in a downtrend. Do not touch it. Leave it alone. Let it fall down as low as it wants. Who cares? You know, if the candle does this and closes above this downtrend like that, then you can enter. Do not try and enter now. If it keeps coming down and down and down, let it do its thing. So if it breaks above here, that's where you enter and then high probability to go up. Simple as that. Hollow is bullish, but I don't know what's going on. Just be careful of that thing. CSSE. CSSE has this gap fill. Look here, 4 hour here, but we'll see. It needs 0.172. Hollows here. I don't know. Everyone loves hollow. Hollow. If you're trying to consider anything on hollow, just wait for $1. That's what I would say. That's the safest thing you can do. Is wait for $1 to psychological level. If a stock breaks above that, usually there's continuation. So, with that being said, if it closes above $1, you have literally 10% to the next level. You know? You know. Right, 70 likes. Come on, guys. We get to at least 100. At least 100. Let me go through some of these Twitter posts and then I'm going to head into Discord. Guys, this is the Discord here. We're not in a Telegram or any of that shit. Telegram, WhatsApp, none of that BS. And I won't DM you about any AI bots, crypto, all that jazz. Nothing. I'm a normal human. I don't speak like a robot either. So all of you guys are very smart people. So I know that you will not fall for those scams, right? And it probably helps that I type in caps as well. But I'm never going to DM someone. Downtrend. Okay, so let's see. What else is moving? Yeah. Anything else that's just moving? Let me look at these top gainers. Top gainers, OPT, TVSN, RDZN. Right, so let's try and see something here. So core looks good for entries right now. GMM's coming down. Maybe we'll see if we can do a little this. Everyone loves this, you know. Everyone loves this little prediction line for some reason. What is this? GMM prediction. GMM prediction. So you just have to wait for this. Like the video, tap in description, not the heart. Yeah, that's it, Matt. Thanks, bro. Tesla just launched. Let me see. I actually did charts on Tesla the other day. Oh shit, it did. How come? Anyone know? What's going on with Tesla? Oh wow, congrats. Yeah, option guru. Wow, Tesla's gone nuts. I literally gave it here. Wow, GG's. This will be fun today. Market's gonna push a bit. What is the impact of the market at 9:30 on these stocks? What do you mean? What question is that? When there wasn't anything. You need downtrend break. Oh, Wenner's looking alright actually. Closure above this 209. Closure above 209. You can look for entries. 5-minute chart maybe. Yeah, so close above now. You can look for entries if you wanted to. So Wenner's worth entries right now. Wenner worth entries. You just need volume. These kind of plays are difficult. Do they tend to increase or dump? Which players? I'm not too sure. VS is dying. Yeah, so it broke below support. So there's no reason to be entering this unless it breaks above the downtrend. VLCN prediction. I mean, it's very bullish, expecting to go up, is what I can tell you. Is your next resistance around here, 732. Had a very strong open yesterday as well. So VLCN key levels. Uber. All right. Oh, Uber's moving as well. All of them will move. Look here, look. Tesla, so Lucid will be moving probably. Yeah, NKLA will be moving. Yeah, there's a lot of the plays that'll move. So NKLA is moving as well. NKLA is moving. But this is just moving off Tesla EV plays. NKLA moving off Tesla. All right, guys, I'm going to head into the Discord. Here is the link. Again, sorry. Here is the link for the Discord, right? So if you want to join, feel free. I'm doing live trading with Hassi every single day. Live seminars. Live day trade alerts, swing trades, journals, risk management strategy, all that kind of stuff. So if you want to join, feel free. Members, I'll catch you guys in a bit. I'll send the link out in 20 minutes. Thank you for joining, guys. I really appreciate it. Have a great day, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.